afternoon or night at whatever time watching the following video. I'm the Meister Arodi, and today we are gonna cover rules for addition and subtraction. This basically separates in two cases: when the signs are the same and when the signs are different. For example, for the signs are the same, for example, you have two positive numbers, you just add the numbers and keep the positive sign. When both numbers are negative, you just add them and leave the negative sign. When they have different sign, regardless of the order, you just have to subtract the numbers and keep the sign with the highest value. For example, if you have a -10 and a +4, you subtract them and keep the sign of the -4 because that number had the highest value. This is really important because in algebra and calculus, sometimes students, regardless of the difficulty of the problem, they have all the process correct, but the result is incorrect or a mistake because they forgot to properly leave the sign on the operation, and only because of that little mistake everything changed, even though they followed the method. Anyway, let's solve one problem. Problem number 1. Both numbers are positive in 10 plus 5. So we will just add the numbers and keep the positive sign. So the answer is 15. Now, in problem number 2, we have two positive numbers and a negative number. Let's do this step by step, even though you can just do it directly. Okay, so we have a -10, and here we have two positive numbers, and we said before that when you have two positive numbers and they're adding, we will just add them and leave them positive. So this is a +7 because 4 plus 3 equals 7. Now we have two numbers with different signs. We're gonna subtract them and leave the sign with the highest value. In this case is the number 10. So the answer is -3. Now for this one, we have a +21 and we have three negative numbers. We will add them, and since the three numbers are negative, we will leave the negative sign. So this is 1921. So it's 21 minus 21, and this equals 0. Now in number 4, all of the numbers are negative, so we will just add them and leave the negative sign. So the answer is going to be negative, and 5 plus 3 equals 8, plus 4 equals 12, plus 10 equals 22. So the answer is 22. Now, this is a fraction, but the rules are the same. We have to find the common denominator, but the problem already gave us the common denominator. Therefore, we want to rewrite the number 2, and we will make the operation from the denominators. So it's 3 minus 1 equals 2, and 2 divided by 2 equals 1. Now in number 6, we have to find the common denominator, which is a 2 again. 2 divided by 2 equals 1, and 1 times 1 equals 1. Now 2 divided by 1, that it's under the 3, is 2 times 3 equals -6. Therefore, the answer is going to be -5 over 2. This is basically all you have to do for the rules of addition and subtraction. Remember, the problem is not your capacity, it's assuming that you cannot achieve it. See you in the next video.